Good morning. Good morning, my dear third class children. Have you taken your breakfast, ma? Today, second lesson, textbook grammar, amma. This is your textbook, amma, science textbook, amma. Lesson number 2, open all. Ask your mom to give textbook. If you have textbook with you, follow me, Nana. If you have textbook with you, follow me. Okay, today let us learn the lesson in objective way. Lesson number 2, I will tell the blanks, true or false, matchings, examples. Okay, if you have textbook, open. Page number 12. Page number 12. See here, they given 4 options. This is the second lesson, parts of a plant. Do you remember? See the textbook, open lesson number 2, third class students. Okay, first one, here they given, identify the given plants as herb, shrub, climber or tree. Here they given 4 plants, 4 different kinds of plants. Okay, will you tell what is the name of this? Is it a herb or shrub? They are asking only herb or shrub or climber or tree, not names. Okay, na? So identify the given plants as a herb, shrub, climber or a tree. Okay, first one is the grass. Grass is the small plant, no children. So grass is the herb. What is the next one? Next one is the grapevine. That is the climber. Third one is the rose. Rose is a shrub. Rose plants have number of branches. Yes, children, number of bushy plants and small plant. So rose is the shrub. Okay, next this is the tree. Is it clear? And see, this is the parts of a plant. So which part grows under the ground? Root. Yes, stem grows above the soil. See, these are all the stems. Okay, this is the fruit. Okay, these green color parts are called leaves. Okay, open Nana. Page number 13. Page number 13 open. Here they given fill in the blanks. Here they given fill in the blanks. See the blackboard. I too wrote on the board. See the blackboard, amma. First question. Roots are the dash parts of the plant. What are the roots? Are the underground parts of the plant. Okay, and main parts of the plant. Right, amma, roots are the underground. Underground. U-N-D-E-R. Under. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Underground. Okay. Roots are the main parts of the plant and underground parts of the plant. Okay. Second one, read. Dash hold the plant firmly to the ground. Ground. Okay, which part of the plant grow under the ground? Dash hold the plant. Dash hold the plant firmly under the ground. Which part grow under the ground? Root. So roots hold the plant. Roots. R-O-O-T-S. Roots. Roots hold the plant firmly to the ground. Third question, roots absorb. Roots absorb water, minerals and nutrients from the soil. Roots absorb water. If you pour water to plants, water reaches the ground. Which part grow under the ground? Root only. So roots absorb water from the soil. Is it clear? Fourth question. The main thick root. The main thick root. The main thick root that grows from the bottom of the stem. This is the thick root. Okay, this is the thick root. The main thick root. This is the stem. Okay, na? This is the stem. The main thick root that grows from the bottom. Okay, bottom of the stem. This is the stem. Okay, this root grows from the bottom of the stem with its branches. With its branches. That is called taproot or fibrous root. The main thick root is present in tap root. Is it clear? Okay, these are all the secondary roots arise from the main root. Okay, so what is the right answer here? Tap root. The main thick root is called the tap root and several roots grow from the main root. Is it clear? Next page. Open the next page. Page number 15. Page number 15. State whether the following. See here, state whether following statement are true or false. If you don't have textbook, you have to take screenshot amma. Screenshot తీసుకోండి. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లేని వాళ్ళు స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో see here, read the question. Page number 15. Read the question. Okay, stem grows below the ground. Is it right? Is it clear? Yes. Okay, first question, see here, stem grows below the ground. Stem grows below the ground. Is it true or false? False. You have to keep false. Okay, and see here, second question, this is the false. Why it is false amma? Stem grows above the ground. Okay, and second question, trees have soft and green stem called. Okay, trees have soft and green stem called the trunk. Is it true or false? False. Why? Because trees have soft stem they given here, but trees have thick stem and brown color stem. That's why it is false. Okay, keep false, false. Okay. Okay, see here children. Yes, stem grows below the ground. That is the false statement. Next, trees have soft stem and green stem they given. That's why it is the false. Trees have thick and brown stem. Okay, third question, herbs have a soft and weak stem. Herbs have a soft and weak stem. True, no children? Small plants. Herbs are small plants, very small plants. They have soft stem. Okay, the stem carries water and minerals to other parts of the plant. True. Okay, and the stem of the potato plant store food materials. True. Okay, the stem of potato plant store food materials. True. Okay, see here, the stem, potato plant store food in their stems only. This is a stem vegetable, underground modified stem vegetable. Is it clear amma? Okay, now page number 16. Page number 16, open. The green pigment, see here, the green pigment present in the leaves. Okay, leaves are green in color. Why the leaves are green in color? The green pigment present in the leaf. Okay, now why the leaf is green in color? Green pigment present in the leaf. That's why leaves are green in color. What is the green pigment? What is the name of green pigment? Chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll. CHLORO. Chloro means green. PHYLL. Fill means leaf. Chlorophyll. Chloro means green. Fill means leaf. Green leaf. Is it clear? Okay, now the flat and broad surface of a leaf. Okay, the flat and broad surface of a leaf. Okay, see here, This is the flat part. The flat and broad surface of the leaf is called leaf blade. Okay, leaf blade. Right here, leaf blade. Next question, read kitchen of the plant. Third question, read amma. The third question, kitchen of the plant. What is the kitchen of the plant? Leaf only. Food factory of the plant and also kitchen of the plant. Leaf, leaf, green leaf. Okay. And number of small openings on the surface of the leaves. Number of small openings. Okay, we cannot see with our eyes, amma. Okay, number of small openings are called tiny pores. Okay, na? So, number of small openings on the surface of the leaves are called stomata. Stomata spelling S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. These are all the breathing organs of a plant. Number of small openings on the surface of the leaves, stomata. Okay, fifth question, read the network of lines on the surface of the leaves. Network of veins. Okay, network of lines on the surface of the leaves. See here, network of lines. See here, lines are there on the surface of the leaf. What we call them? See here, in the middle of the leaf, one thick line is present. Yes, children, that is called midrib or main vein. Okay, from the main vein, small network of lines on the surface of the leaves. These are called side veins. Middle of the leaf, one thick line is present, that is called midrib or main vein. So the network of lines arise from this side of the leaf and this side of the leaf. Those are called veins. Okay, V-E-I-N-S, veins. V-E-I-N-S, veins. Is it clear? Okay, I come again. Read roots are the underground parts of the plant. Roots hold the plant firmly to the ground. Okay, roots absorb water and minerals. Okay, from the soil. The main thick root is the tap root. Okay, that grows from the lower end of the stem. Okay, bottom of the stem or lower end of the stem with its branches is called tap root. Is it clear? Tap root has main root, thick root. Okay, remaining roots grow from the main root. This is the tap root. So the main thick root is the tap root. This is the second one is the fibrous root. Okay, it has no main root. All roots are similar. Okay, all roots are similar. Is it clear? The main thick root is the tap root. Okay, and that grows. See here, from the bottom of the stem. Means this is the stem. Okay, root grows from the bottom of the stem, lower end of the stem. Is it clear? Now give one word answers for the following. Okay, look at the board. Give one word for the following. The green pigment present in the leaves. Okay, the green pigment present in the leaves. Why are the leaves green in color? Green pigment present in the leaf, that is called chlorophyll. What is the green pigment? Chlorophyll. Chloro means green, fill means leaf. Green leaf. Is it clear? Next, the flat. So the flat, broad part of the leaf is called leaf blade. Kitchen of the plant, leaf. Number of small openings on the surface of the leaf is called stomata. Those small openings we cannot see. Okay, we can see with the help of a binocular or microscope. Why they are very smaller, tiny. Okay, most of the leaves Stomatas are present underside of the leaf. Some plants have stomatas are present upper surface of the leaf. Okay, stomatas are present underside of the leaf. Next, the network of lines on the surface of the leaves. Network of lines means veins. Veins give support to the leaf and also carries the food material from the leaf to other parts. From the stem, water gives to petiole. Petiole means stem of the leaf is called petiole. So veins function gives support to the leaf and also carries food and water. Okay, from stem to leaf, from the leaf to remaining parts of the plant. Okay, now so the network of lines on the surface of the leaves is called veins. Is it clear? Okay children, if you have textbook, you have to read these blanks and one word answers today. This is homework for you. Tomorrow I will tell remaining the blanks are there. Okay, true or false also there. Okay, multiple choice questions. Tomorrow we will discuss about those. Okay children, today you have to read, fill in the blanks and give one word answers for the following. Okay, you have to read and write one time. Okay, take care. Bye. See you later.